Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing my AI marathon coach. So I have this half marathon coming in July, so I wanted to make sure I'm ready for that. My goal is really simple. It's just to generate a training schedule, and then I also wanted to log my training data so that my training schedule can be adjusted based on my current progress. So I use Claude to do this, but I think you can use any popular AI platforms to do it as well. This is my Claude project. I will ask Claude to generate a training schedule for this week. Sent. So it will retrieve my past training data so that it can adjust my training for the next week. That looks good. And then I'm gonna add that to Notion. So it will save the schedule that it just generated to Notion. I use Notion for all my notes and all my information and memory. Of course, you can use other platforms like the Google Sheet or a Excel sheet. This is the one that it just generated. Every day I'll come in here and see what I should do. And then after the workout, I will come back to Claude. I'm gonna add 2 screenshots that I have. Those screenshots will include my training data, such as my heart rate and all my data from my Apple Watch. So I just ask Claude to log this data to Notion. So let's go check in Notion. So here we come back to the workout page that I have, and here I have a log, especially for my workout logs. So that we see this one just got logged. Here are all the notes that Claude take for this training, and also some important data that I have. So you can see here I have almost a week of data, so that for the next week, Claude can come back and see, okay, what's Kayla's progress on this week, so that it can adjust the training schedule based on all those logs. So that's a short demo. I think it works really well. And then I want to share some general principles on building such AI assistants for your daily life. So first, you need to have 2 portions of this mechanism. One is the brain. The brain is the LLM, is Claude, and then the other one is the memory. So I use Notion as my note-taking place, but you can definitely feel free to use any other platforms such as a Google document or any other note-taking platforms to be your memory, because we know that LLM does not have a continuous memory of the things that you're saying. It only has the context of that chat. And then just to make sure that you can connect the two. So here in the settings of Claude, you can see there are a lot of connectors that you can use. You can connect it to Google Drive, Gmail, and any other ones. So I have Notion connected so that Claude can read and write from Notion. The process of building out this project is actually really simple. Let me go back to the Claude project. So the only thing that we need to do is to write the instructions or the system prompt. You can just say what is your goal, and then some constraints. For example, I only have 2 hours per day and I need to have 1 rest day per week. Also, just let it know what is the link to the database it will be reading and writing. And also you can use Claude to help you write the system prompt as well. So I encourage everybody to use AI to help you kind of streamline your daily processes and really boost personal life. And thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful for you.